Hi everyone, Nigel Saunders here. Welcome back to part 3 of working on my larch forest, the final part of this series. Today I'll be working on the landscape, pruning up the moss, making it a little more compact, and then I'll finish the series by stepping back, looking at the forest, and doing a final critique. I'm going to begin by pruning the moss back. I've got my curved scissors here, and it's really good for pruning moss bushes into a more compact shape, creating some separation between the moss bushes and the surrounding moss. So pruning this moss back. And I usually take the moss down to the point where it starts to, you prune back trying to keep the moss bush green. If you start pruning back further, the moss tends to die off. So I just kind of prune it back, making it more compact, because this moss will grow over the summer and become quite a bit larger. So kind of creating some distinct bush-like shapes with your moss, and it makes a fairly realistic looking landscape. Otherwise your moss gets really bushy and thick. This is a good way to keep it under control so you don't have to remoss your trees every year. You can kind of keep working with the moss that's already there. So that bush is looking much better now. Out front here, you can see the moss. It looks like bulrushes. It's really cool. However, if I don't prune it back, this is going to get really thick. So unfortunately, I have to prune off these spore heads on the moss, or whatever they are. Prune them back, and they will grow again. I've got to take this back, otherwise it just gets too bushy looking. So I'm taking it back quite hard, all the ones out front. Otherwise it gets, kind of thick, and it blocks your view of the trees. Yeah, something like that. There's another little bit of liverwort there I can pull out. Let's do a bit of a profile prune on the moss too, so the clump doesn't get too wide and spreading and covers up the rocks here. I think it was getting a little big. Get some separation here between these two clumps. Like that. Yeah, so that's reduced them back quite a bit. Now, I think my stream bed is getting a little overrun with moss too. I have to prune all that moss back. I will also prune the moss back from the base of the tree so it's not so quick to climb up the trunks. I have been working away, pruning up the moss in the forest. You can see all the moss I've taken off quite a bit. It's a lot of fun doing this moss-scaping. I really enjoy it. All the work you do makes it look more and more miniature. I've completed the work on the larch forest. It's back in the poly house, ready to grow for spring. That is it for the series on the larch forest. So that is all for today. I'm Nigel Saunders. Thanks for joining me in the Bonsai Zone.